It's day 2 guys and subah subah hum ready okay. We went to this hidden spot where my friend started vlogging and he asked me to add this to the video, so please listen.
So we are here.
After discovering my friend's wonderful vlogging skills, we decided to go to a viewpoint. इस अमेजिंग व्यू को एंजॉय करने के बाद we did a 1 kilometer trek और पहुंच गए हम अपने व्यू पॉइंट पे. I mean, isn't this amazing? Then we stopped by this beautiful dam and few other spots on the way. हमने कोई भी spot नहीं छोड़ा and we took pictures everywhere. So yeah, that's it for day 2. Stay tuned for day 3.